Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Realme C33, and now I'm gonna show you how to change lock SIM password. Okay, so firstly, you need to open settings, then scroll down and find security feature here, then scroll down again and choose SIM card lock feature. Here you will see lock SIM card. You can disable lock SIM card, but here you can change SIM pin. If you want to change it, so click on it. Then you need to enter old SIM pin. In my case, it's 1111. And now you need to create a new SIM pin password. And click OK. Then retype your new password. So type your new password again. And great, SIM pin change successful. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.